This 1995 Ferrari comes complete with all its original tools, original manuals. It has an aftermarket CD player with an amplifier. The engine out service has been done on it 2,000 miles ago. The car right now has 40,500 miles on it. A lot of work has gone into this and maintenance. It is really a nice looking car. It's ready to go, turnkey and go. It's 22 years old, but as you can see, it looks really, really good. The interior was just refreshed. Look at that. Is that beautiful? No markings on the seats. The 6-speed transmission, very desirable this year. What a pretty car. Convertible. Get ready for the summertime, people. Don't miss out on this opportunity. This car can be yours for $62,500, and that's a deal. Again, I'm Andy Hill from North American Motor Car. 1-866-56-MOTOR. Give us a call. Be happy to walk you through it, show you all the service records, because we have a lot of them. And you could be cruising down the road in this beautiful 1995 Ferrari F355 Spider sooner than you think.